Shubh Deepavali to all our viewers. Welcome to the second edition of the DBS Greater Faridabad News Network, where we bring you all the exciting activities, celebrations and achievements from the heart of our school. I am Gauhar and with me is Aradhya. Together we'll be your host for this special Diwali edition.
Shubh Deepavali everyone, what a vibrant time it has been at DPS Greater Faridabad filled with joy, learning and celebrations. Let's dive into the highlights from October 19 to 31st. Truly a time for magic, teamwork and community spirit.
We began with the Parent-Teacher Partnership meeting on October 19th. Alongside it, we unveiled the magical Jadui Pitara Foundations to Flight event. With the help of a teacher magician and little fairies, the magical learning tool was revealed. It sparkled curiosity and creativity among the children, while our visitors explored creative corners, STEAM activities and environmentally conscious toys from trash display. The event beautifully captured our school's commitment to hands-on innovative learning.
And not to forget, that same day we had the thrilling Gallop and Grace, the horse show. Our students showcased exceptional horsemanship demonstrating discipline, teamwork and grace as they interacted with horses, captivating the audience with their skills. It was a perfect blend of physical activity and teamwork. That day wrapped up with the book fair bonanza. Students from pre-nursery to class 8 explored a world of books, deepening their love for reading. Our principal, Dr. Bindu Sharma, along with the school team, inaugurated this two-day fair. It was truly a literary treat where our young readers met inspiring minds through books.
Moving on to October 21st, our young learners from Class 1 participated in the Rhyme Chime stage competition. They recited beautiful poems themed around nature, boosting their confidence and love for language. Alongside that, Class 3rd students sharpened their phonetic skills in a competitive spell bee competition, making it an exciting day of learning.
The festivities continued on October 22nd with our little Montessori learners engaging in a hands-on pattern parade activity. Their tiny hands created mosaics with beans, cones and pom-poms, enhancing their fine motor skills while exploring patterns and textures. And for pre-nursery, the fun was all about dancing. The tapping toe solo dance activity where our young dancers performed to folk and regional songs expressing themselves with joy.
On October 23rd, our youngest dipsides from nursery took center stage in the Dance with Our solo dance activity. The little ones twirled and swayed to delightful tunes, each child expressing themselves through movements that radiated pure joy. Their excitement was evident as they embraced the rhythm of the music, allowing their creativity and confidence to shine.
The performances left a lasting impression on the audience as the children gracefully executed their steps with innocence and charm. Their beaming smiles and energy filled the room, leaving everyone with warm hearts and a sense of pride. This activity not only enhanced their motor skills but also instilled confidence and joy in their young hearts.
On October 23rd, a theme assembly was hosted by classes 4G and H on the theme of Active Life Healthy Eating. It was a vibrant display of creativity, promoting healthy lifestyle choices to our young learners.
The students emphasized the importance of balanced nutrition and regular physical activities, reminding us how vital it is to lead a healthy and active life. Their performances were not only informative but also engaging, leaving the audience inspired to adopt healthy habits.
On October 24th, Class 2nd students eagerly participated in the magical handwriting competition, showcasing their impeccable penmanship. As they carefully formed each letter with precision, it was evident how important neat handwriting is, not only in academic excellence but also in boosting confidence and self-expression.
Through this engaging activity, the young dipsides learned the significance of neat handwriting in strengthening fine motor skills and improving memory retention. The joy on their faces as they completed their work highlighted the sense of achievement they felt, making the competition a truly enriching experience for all.
The Pride of India Show and Tell competition for Class 2nd students on October 24th was an event that beautifully combined creativity and cultural exploration. Students proudly presented various aspects of India's rich heritage, focusing on the states of Haryana and Manipur.
This competition allowed the young Dipsites to build their confidence and communication abilities, all by deepening their connection with India's diverse culture as they spoke about the vibrant traditions of the two states. They demonstrated a growing understanding of India's unity in diversity.
October 24th and 25th brought a unique hands-on experience for our young artists from class 1 and 2. With the help of a skilled potter, students had the opportunity to mold and create their very own diyas on a potter's wheel. The children were thrilled as they shaped their clay with their tiny little hands.
The excitement on their faces as they saw their creation come to life was infectious. This experience fostered creativity and provided a deeper understanding of traditional art forms.
The bowling alley came alive with energy as the Montessori students engaged in the Master Rollers activity on October 25th. With bowling pins set up, the little ones enthusiastically rolled the balls, aiming to knock down as many ones as they could.
The children's laughter echoed throughout the alley, creating an atmosphere of pure joy. The activity was the perfect blend of fun and learning, ensuring the little Dipsites had a memorable day.
In an atmosphere filled with laughter, the prep students participated in the Hindi Hasya Kavita activity on October 25th. Titled Dekho Hasna Dena, the event engaged the children with humorous poems that brought smiles to everyone.
Through light-hearted language, the children learned how humor brings people together and fosters joy. It was a delightful event showcasing their linguistic skills and reminding everyone of the power of laughter.
On October 25th, Class 4 students competed in the final round of the Young Technocraft Science Quiz competition. The brightest minds put their scientific knowledge to test in an engaging and exciting competition.
The quiz ignited the students' passion for science, testing their curiosity and analytical thinking. It was an event filled with learning, excitement and a shared love for science.
On the 25th of October, the Montessori kids got hands-on with the Green Glow Diwali Defenders project along with some creative Diwali craft work. Pre-nursery students participated in the eco-friendly Diwali Delight accompanied by an exciting role play. It was a beautiful sight watching the little ones taking on their roles with so much enthusiasm.
The nursery students dressed as Diwali heroes brought the theme of Diwali Defenders to life with an engaging role-play activity spreading the message of safety and responsibility during the festival. Meanwhile, the prep students united as Diwali Defenders once again, shouting out slogans promoting a clean and green Diwali. They made it clear that this year we'll say no to crackers and yes to an eco-friendly celebration, encouraging everyone to celebrate responsibly.
The Diwali spirit carried on to 28th of October when our Montessori kids showcased their creative side with beautiful Rangoli designs and diya decorations. Pre-nursery and nursery students followed suit, filling the day with vibrant Rangolis and dazzling diyas that lit up their classrooms with festive joy.
They also engaged in a fun Rangoli making session followed by class decoration and a lively class party. The students didn't just celebrate, they also delved into the lesser-known characters from the Ramayana and discussed the importance of green and safe Diwali.
Our third graders added their own creative twist by crafting paper firecrackers, sending a strong message about a pollution-free Diwali. Instead of bursting crackers, they encouraged everyone to focus on artistic expressions that convey the joy of the festival in an eco-friendly way.
The festivities didn't stop there. Class 4 students engaged in a paper plate Rangoli activity, decorating vibrant Rangolis with the help of paper plate. Class 8 hosted a special Diwali themed assembly, bringing everyone together in a moment of festive spirit and setting a hopeful tone as they moved closer to the grand celebration.
And finally, our community outreach activity, Gyara Muthi Daan, stretched from Montessori to class 12. This Diwali, the spirit of light extended in those in need as students, teachers and staff came together to donate and ensure that every home lights up with joy.
Through this act of kindness, we celebrated Diwali in its truest essence by sharing the light, spreading happiness and making a difference in the lives of underprivileged. It was truly a Diwali to remember.
This month, we also celebrated the joy of reading through several exciting library activities that truly captivated our young Dipsites. On October 15th, with the much-awaited Tuesday Talk with Budding Authors, our very own Kirvi girl of class 7D took the spotlight as she shared her book Kids, GK and Riddles. The audience was intrigued as Seerat Chadha from class 8H conducted a thought-provoking interview with Kirvi, exploring exploring what sparked her interest in riddles and how it inspired her to write the book.
The session wasn't just about listening, it was highly interactive. The audience enthusiastically participated in solving some of the clever riddles from Kirby's book. Kirby also opened up about her hobbies and how writing has played a major role in boosting her confidence. It was an inspiring and engaging experience for everyone involved, reminding us how creativity and curiosity can go hand in hand.
On October 18th, the much-loved Friday Fabulous Tales event returned, hosted by the Readers' Den Club in the Senior Library. This storytelling session featured a heartwarming tale titled Dreams, a sweet world written and narrated by two budding storytellers, Arna Srivastav and Vivan Singh of Class 7A.
The story beautifully explored how dreams can shift from being peaceful and sweet to becoming unsettling nightmares, with a strong emphasis on the role of family in providing comfort during tough times. The story, available on the Brave Books platform, left a deep impression on the audience. It reminded everyone that in moments of fear or uncertainty, it is our parents who guide us and help us overcome our challenges. The session not only showcased the storytelling talents of Arna and Vivan, but also highlighted the importance of family support, leaving the young audience inspired and touched.
On October 14th, we had the Monday Magic Tales session which took place in the Junior Library. This time, our storyteller was Lana Goyal from Class 5F, and her outstanding storytelling skills left everyone in awe. Lana's ability to engage her audience with precise articulation and varied tone made her story come alive.
What stood out the most was Lana's confident stage presence. She made eye contact using expressive gestures and adapted her performance to the reaction of the audience. It was more than just storytelling. It was an exercise in communication as she effortlessly shifted her voice and expression to reflect the characters and emotion in her tale. Lana's performance reminded us of all the power of clear, confident communication and how important it is to connect with your audience.
On October 18th, the much-loved Friday Fabulous Tales event returned, hosted by the Readers' Den Club in the Senior Library. This storytelling session featured a heartwarming tale titled Dreams, a sweet world written and narrated by two budding storytellers, Arna Srivastav and Vivan Singh of Class 7A.
The story beautifully explored how dreams can shift from being peaceful and sweet to becoming unsettling nightmares, with a strong emphasis on the role of family in providing comfort during tough times. The story, available on the Brave Books platform, left a deep impression on the audience. It reminded everyone that in moments of fear or uncertainty, it is our parents who guide us and help us overcome our challenges. The session not only showcased the storytelling talents of Arna and Vivan, but also highlighted the importance of family support, leaving the young audience inspired and touched.
We would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for your continuous support. This milestone belongs to all of us, and it's a moment that we'll cherish and celebrate together.
Let's keep the spirit of excellence alive as we continue striving towards even greater success. Congratulations, DPS Creative Faridabad family.
What a festive season it's been, filled with achievements, creativity and kindness.
As we bid you farewell, we wish you and your families a happy, bright and safe Diwali. Let's continue spreading love and light. And we'll see you in the next edition of DPS Creative Faridabad News Network.
Should Diwali stay safe and may the festival of lights bring joy and prosperity to all.